RentBerry Rental Housing Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get rental platforms wrong. They assume online listings are just like Craigslist. The surprising truth about RentBerry is that it streamlines applications, rent negotiations, and tenant-landlord communication, and you won't believe how much time it can save renters. Here's how it works. RentBerry lets tenants apply for listings, submit rental documents, and even bid on rental prices digitally. Landlords can review applicants, request references, and finalize leases all within the platform. For example, a renter searching in a competitive city could apply to multiple apartments, track their bids, and receive instant landlord responses. Most people get this wrong. They assume rental processes are slow, but RentBerry simplifies everything online. Additional features include security deposits handled digitally, rental history verification, and communication tracking. Users praise speed, transparency, and reduced paperwork. However, there are considerations. Fees may apply for certain services, and some landlords prefer traditional methods. Most people assume all rental platforms function the same, but RentBerry focuses on efficiency and transparency. In conclusion, RentBerry is ideal for renters and landlords who want a fast, transparent, and digitally managed rental experience. Subscribe for more honest reviews of rental housing tools.